Good day, Ma'am Sir. My name is Angelica A. Ordonez, 27 years old, happily married with two kids, one 5-year-old boy and one 2-year-old boy. I am college level. I have experience being a helper here in the Philippines. I serve four members of the family, two adults, one elderly, and one 7 months old baby. My duties and responsibilities being a helper is taking care of the baby, cooking, cleaning, doing household chores, doing laundry, and marketing. I cook Filipino food and I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. I believe, Ma'am Sir, that it is necessary to be a hardworking person, honest, God fearing, and can work with minimum supervision. I promise, Ma'am Sir, that I will do my best and I will finish my 2 years contract. Thank you and God bless.